I'm going to show you how to find Pantone colors. Um, I just opened my usual boat picture and I am going to start with, let's just put a shape here. So I'm going to go, I like to do the selection tool. You can use the shape tool and fill it. I have a habit of selection tool, drawing my shape and then filling it with a paint bucket. So it's just the way I like to do it. So there's my paint bucket. So I'm going to fill it with whatever I pick here. So I'm going to double click. Instead of just clicking in this area, I want Pantone colors because my client, let's say my client wants an exact Pantone color to be sent to the print shop. And this print shop will be aware that this box should be filled in with that exact Pantone color. So I'm going to go to color libraries. And here is Pantone solid coated. There are other Pantones, but we'll just go with the default of solid coated. And here they are. I could scroll down. I could find my number. Every Pantone number color has a number to it. I like to tend to go to the blues. I like this blue here. This is Pantone 2748 C for coated. So I'll click that, hit OK. And now that is filled in there and I'm in my paint bucket. I could click, fill it in. Control D will deselect the marching ant selection tool, and there we go. Now I can, let's say I want to type over it. T tool, I'm going to click right on top of this. Definitely I want something that is contrasted to this blue, probably a white. Instead of going here, I need to go to the top for text. And white is right here. But if I wanted to go to color libraries and do the Pantone, I can select any color. Maybe I don't want white. Maybe I want just something with good contrast. Because I could have, my client might say they want a certain color. This lighter gray here could work. I'll hit OK. And that's up here now. So whatever I type, here is vote. So, and I like to big so I can see. I'm going to hold shift, drag the corner, vote, and enter. So right now I have two colors used besides the CMYK of this actual boat itself, and that is this blue Pantone and this light gray Pantone. So there's two Pantones plus CMYK, so that's 6 colors. So CMYK plus Pantone blue with that number with it, plus gray. So you see that's why that's 6 color image right here. Okay, thanks.